Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial on this channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to design the flyer you are seeing on your screen right now. Okay, so in case you are interested in learning graphic design for free, we are currently offering graphic design course for free. Okay, so if you are interested, you can go ahead and click on the link in description, and so that you can get full access to it, right? Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. Okay, here I'm in my Pixel Lab, right? I'm in my Pixel Lab. Let me clear the screen. So the first thing we are going to do is to choose our background. Okay, we are going to choose our background size. So we head over to image size here, and then I'm going to change this to 1000. Okay, I'm going to change the height to 1000. Okay, so now we have our height. Ready. So I'm going to import my background. Okay, so I'm going to drop the resources for this video. Okay, so I'm actually using two backgrounds, so I will import the first one first. Okay, I will import another. I will lock this one, lock that, and import another one, right? Still that color close to that. Okay, so I will make it size the screen. So the next thing we are going to do is to come to opacity here, and then reduce it to 51. Reduce the opacity to 51. Okay, so I've reduced the opacity to 51, right? So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our gadgets. Okay, our headphone. So I'm going to drop the design resource. Okay, so you're going to place it right here. Next thing I will do is I will bring in a shadow that will make it look real. So when you click on shape to bring in shadow, when you click on shape, you click on this drop down and choose circle, and then you come to opacity, reduce the opacity to 0, and then come to stroke, increase the stroke to 40, and then you will come to blur radius, you increase the blur radius to 25. Okay, and then you now wrap up this. So after that, you can okay it, then bring this to this place, then head over to this overall, drag it down. Okay, drag it down, let it be under the gadget, then come to opacity. Okay, reduce the opacity, you can make it 40. Okay, I think that is okay. So I'm going to lock that and lock this gadget too. So we are going to bring in our text. So I'm going to change the fonts. So here I'm using MTN Brighter Sans fonts. Okay, so I'm going to determine my font size. So it's going to be Music Plus Headphone. this is going to be bigger, so not too big. So let me bring in my line and make sure I align it very well. Okay. So I'm going to align this headset very well. Okay, so remember, I'm going to change the color of that plus, so just to create hierarchy or contrast. I'm going to highlight only the plus and then change the color from there. Okay, the color, in case, let me show you. Okay, in case you want the color, that is the color code, so you can copy the color code from here so that you can have the exact color. Okay, so that is the color code, C69450, C69450. okay, is the color combination is actually 255 198 148 and 80. Okay, so that is the combination of all the primary colors. That is the combination of the primary colors to get this particular color. Okay, so no, I didn't intend to. Okay, so now let's bring in another text. etc. Okay, so I'm going to change the font. So there I'm going to use this Fotora Heavy. I'm using Fotora Heavy, so I'm going to change the color of the special features include. Change the color to, okay, so let me align it very well. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in the call to action. So I'm going to increase the radius a bit, then change the color to the color we are using. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to add a shadow behind. Okay, I'm bringing the text in there. So get it now. Going to change the color to color white and then change the font to, I'm going to change the font to MTN. So guys, we are done with the flyer. Okay, so if you are actually designing this flyer as an assignment, in the course, in the design course, make sure you follow up everything that has been said on this tutorial, and make sure you drop it on the page or the group you are to submit your assignment. Submit it daily. Good luck. Make sure you follow up everything and watch it close so that you can know what to do. For the fonts and every other resources used for this flyer, I'm going to drop it for you people. Okay, so wish you good luck. Stay tuned. Okay, having said all this, see you in another video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.